Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video for you today that'll be a Getresponse review. Just before I get into it, if you haven't tried Getresponse before, once you've watched the video of course, you can click the link in the description down below and that'll take you through to a free trial version of the software for you just to try, all for completely free. So yeah, it's going to be a very quick kind of review and overview of what it is. And what I think about it. I mean, yeah, more what I think about it than what it is, to be honest. And I think it's great. Yeah, for the stuff that you can access for free, it's very unrestrictive. You can get some very professional looking email campaigns and different kinds of widgets for use for e-commerce on here. It's very good. And from the stuff that I've seen in terms of the templates, they're excellent as well. So I've got some other tutorials on the channel covering how to make landing pages and things like that, as well as a whole host of other stuff in Getresponse. We cover pretty much everything on the channel. And, you can see just from a glance here that some of the templates that they've got on offer are very, very modern, very kind of fit in and very typical of what you'd find in an email campaign, especially these ones here with the horizontal bars. I like them. They're kind of sectioned like a little mini website. And I thought, they've got a lot of different kinds of these, which you can use as landing pages. And yeah, that looks like professional. That looks like something that you'd kind of trust straight out the box. And it's very easy and intuitive to create stuff like that. So you've got that side of it. It's almost like a Canva kind of platform for, email campaigns and landing pages and things like that. But you've also then got the other side of it, which is, or one of the other sides, which is the automation. Now this is quite, very kind of high end, and it's quite, difficult to grasp if you've not been accustomed to stuff like this before. Now I've done modular and node-based programming before, but to teach it is quite difficult because it's something that's, very expansive, and you've got to kind of create what's known as a signal flow diagram or a logic path in terms of your campaign. So, if a user subscribes to any list via any method, then a message gets sent to them. And then when that link is clicked, as it says there, then only the first 100 contacts get a message sent back to them. Now you can see they're kind of like if statements, if you're a programmer or someone who's done stuff like that before, like a logic-based system. So when that newsletter link is clicked, then it goes there. But if it's not clicked, then you wait, 2 days, for example, sorry, that one there, and then, send them that message anyway. You know what I mean? So you can build some quite, complex, intuitive, logic-based email campaigns with it, which is very, very, different. And it's a great way of doing it because it's quite visual. So it's not something that you'd be able to kind of code out very easily. So the way they've kind of gone about it and done it visually like this with nodes is very good, I'd say. That's something I enjoyed about it. So yeah, and that's it really. I mean, there's a bunch of other stuff in here, as you can see from the tools menu. It does a lot of stuff. And all of that is accessible for free, and you can get usable versions of things without much restriction for free, very similar to something like a Canva, so yeah, definitely check it out. Definitely click that link below, have a go at it. If you've enjoyed the video and you want to see more content of this nature, give us a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you've got any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below as well. Thank you very much.